To make your pub stand out on Facebook, focus on creating unique posts which really showcase what makes your pub special. Social media users love to see authentic, honest content, which tells the story of your pub and its people. You could share behind the scenes activities, such as how you prepare your most popular dishes or what makes your pub's atmosphere so special. Feature your staff, highlight customer reviews, and showcase local culture, what's happening in your local area. Make sure to regularly update your audience on events that are coming up, promotions, and any unique offerings like themed nights or new food and drink options. Video works so well on Facebook, especially if there's a little bit of humour involved. So next time you're filming a reel, think about ways that you can make your audience laugh, like this example.
And here on our list are all the followers that haven't dined with us yet.
Great photos are still some of the most eye-catching content you can post on Facebook too. So think about your lighting and also featuring people. It's got to be well lit, so often using natural daylight or something outdoors can really grab people's attention. And of course, if you've got people in your images, it makes them a lot more interesting, especially if those people are looking directly at the camera. Every pub has its own charm. Let this personality shine through in your posts by showcasing what makes your pub special. If your pub is known for its warm and cosy atmosphere, share photos that reflect this. If it's a lively place for music or sports events, highlight these aspects. Use a friendly and conversational tone in your captions that reflect your pub's vibe. And don't be afraid to use humour too, such as local slang or emojis to make your posts more relatable. Authenticity is key here, so being honest and human really helps to connect with your audience. Showcasing your pub's unique personality through the use of humour is a great way to create lots of engagement with your followers. So like this example, they've said, "Dear Diet, things just aren't looking good for the both of us. It's not me, it's you. You're too much work, you're boring, and I can't stop cheating on you." So starting with quite an eye-catching statement, and then of course, the very eye-catching photo to go alongside it has worked well here. Also, a little bit of sarcasm can work well, particularly if it's, a dramatic event like snow. People love to talk about the weather in Britain, of course. And also using emojis can also add a little bit of personality and tone of voice too. So think about ways that you can use emojis to coincide with what you're saying. Finally, featuring your employees, so featuring your staff through videos and photos, is a great way to show off your friendly team and use a nice tone of voice. Leverage local culture and events to connect with your community. For example, if there's a local festival, a village fete, a charity event, or a sports match, tie your content to it. You can promote special offers relating to the event or share how your pub is celebrating. Participating in local causes or supporting nearby businesses can also generate goodwill and make your pub feel like an integral part of your community. So what are some great examples of successful local content? Let's take a look. So here's a sneak peek at the beer selection that's going to be on offer at Carnival from this pub. So if you've got an event coming up, particularly in your local town, then showing you getting ready and prepping for that event with the team can be a nice engaging post to do on Facebook. And in this case, they've used multi-images, so it really does capture the attention of the user when scrolling through Facebook. Also, post-event, it's nice to do a roundup of how a particular event performed. In this case, it was the carnival. So showcasing your best photos is a really nice way to get people to go to Facebook and see if they've been spotted in any of the photos. Also, if you've got a really big event like Pride coming up in your town or city, then being involved in that can be a really good way to generate engagement. And tagging in different events, different businesses, and also any influencers is also another way to get attention on Facebook. And finally, if there's something happening in and around your town or village, then you can certainly share some photos of that, especially if it's a big event that a lot of people will be coming to your pub for afterwards as well. Like in this case, the well dressing tradition, which is in the Peak District, showcasing some photos from that, and then of course talking about your pub as well.